Hi guys, Postman's bin. Pretty confident this is a replacement heater element for my Antex soldering iron, 18 watt. If you missed the previous videos, that one failed quite a few years ago. So I bought a replacement, which I absolutely love, this one. And then last week or so, or a couple of weeks back, this one died. So I replaced it with a new one. This one's actually 25 watts. And in the meantime, I also ordered a replacement heater element for this one and fitted it. And this one works absolutely fine. And it was so easy to do that I ordered another one to see if I could replace the original 41. So that's what we're going to do here, assuming that's what's in the package. There we are. CS 18 watt 230 volt. CS 18 watt 240 volt. So I'm pretty confident that this will fit. One holds the cord in place. And that one holds the heater element in place. So this one should pull out, yep. There we go. So that is going to fit in there, hopefully. So we'll desolder these. This bit comes out if we work it out gently. There we go. So that one will go in there like that, yep. So we'll desolder them. Blue, yellow, green, brown. Holding it that way round. So we'll do that the same way round. I'll have to get something to hold it for me in a minute. We'll just see if we can desolder. That's going to flick off. Yep. All right. I'll get a clamp to hold it still for us. Right, it does actually say N for neutral, which is the blue one. Earth sign there for that one. And L there for that one, which is the brown with the UK colour system. All right, see if we can do this on camera. Springy wire. Okay. Right. Okay. They're in place. Now we'll find out if it's actually going to fit. Unclamp that. Unclamp that. Right, there is a keyway. Yep, that way up. Fits. Lovely. Okay, next question is, will that one fit on there? Yes, it does. Probably should have checked that earlier. Right, we will plug that in, see if it gets hot. I suppose I could time it, but it's not really that important to me how quickly it gets hot, as long as it gets hot. At least it's warm. I think I'm rushing it a bit. Yeah, can give it a few more minutes. I just like Antex. Simple. Plug it in, it works. Not a soldering station or anything like that with adjustable heat. That heater element was actually cheaper than the one I bought the other day. The one I bought the other day ended up costing me about 22 quid. And the replacement soldering iron only cost me 28 quid. But this one was £17 something, I think. Which is disappointing because it means I missed that seller the first time through. There we go. So that would appear to work. So I've now got 3 Antex soldering irons and lots of other soldering irons, but 3 Antex. Yeah, there we go. £14.96 plus VAT, £17.95 I paid for this one. Cheaper than the last one. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.